Who asked you? Back there. Who the fuck asked you for your opinion?
I am a member of this team.
Please. Homelander's a great man, but the way that you kiss his ass is fucking gross.
Hey, man. Look, I get it, okay? This is tough. You know, me handpicked by Homelander to come back, and you on your way out again. And rebrand. Oh, this late in the game. Ouch, the new A train. How'd that work out for Eagle the Archer when he became Eagle the Rapper? Well, that's right, it fucking didn't. It's just sad, man.
You're like Ashton Kutcher fucked a clownfish. You're a joke, and you're so dumb, you don't even know it.
Oh, yeah? Well, how about I tell Homelander who really leaked all that Nazi shit on Storm?
How about I tell him you fished the Flight 37 video out in the Atlantic and gave it to Maeve?
Why, come on. Run at me, bro. I forgot your legs don't fucking work. You punch me,
yeah,
motherfucker.
Boys. Hey, Drain. Just stay there and rest those useless fucking legs. Don't do it. Do it. Get off of me.
You do not want to do that. Take it easy. Calm down, all right? Take it easy, man.
Fuck him.
Fuck him. Stop. What if he hears you?
I'm supposed to take shit from the deep. The fucking deep. Homelander's gonna back him over me. After everything that I've done for that man, I hit one little speed bump. Now, I'm fucking garbage.
What if we could do something about it?